Okay, we're going to look at some different ways that you can format numbers. So for hourly wage, we want these to be currency. So you're going to go ahead and in your home tab, go to your number group, and there's a couple different ways to do this. You can either click down here and you can go to currency, or you can click the $sign. I like just clicking the $sign. So if you click that, and then it makes it money. But it's a pain to go through each one of these to click them. So what you can do instead is highlight all of them, then click it, and it makes all of them currency. Let's say for the hours per week that we want to make this have 2 decimal places. So then again, you're going to go up to your number group, and then you have your increase and decrease decimal places. So if you just click that, you can determine how many decimal places you want it to show. Another thing is, let's say for some reason you want to use percentages, and I'm just going to type this number off over here. Let's say 5, or let's say 0.05. And so it types that in there. If you want that to be a percentage, you're going to go up here and click your percent sign, and it will change 0.05 to 5%. Another thing is if you have really big numbers, because some of you might have really big numbers, so like that, it will be helpful to go ahead and put a comma separator, and it automatically adds commas and 2 decimal places. Now, if for some reason you don't want those 2 decimal places, you're going to go back up here to your decreased decimal place, and it will take those away, but keep the commas. The next number that you might want to format would be date. So right here we have the date, and you can go, and it automatically said that it was a date when I typed it in, but we can change the format of this date. By doing that, you're going to click on the dialog button here, and then you have all these options. So you're going to go to date, and pick whichever one it specifies on the assignment sheet, and if it doesn't specify, whichever one you want. So I think on the assignment sheet it tells you to use this one, 031412. So if you click on that, it's going to keep the same date that was there, but change it to that format.